how to turn on or turn off focus enhancer when video recording on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. So on your home screen, open up the camera app. Then we go to video mode by tapping on video tab at the bottom. Now point your camera at the subject. To turn on focus enhancer, tap on this icon here at the left corner. So we tap on that, and that will allow you to turn on focus enhancer, or you can switch it off. And that's it. Once it is turned on, you can see the difference. So if we turn it off, the subject will be zoom out a little bit. And here if I turn on, it will be sharper. So that's on, that's off, and this is on. And that's it. That's how you can turn on or switch off focus enhancer when you are video recording with your camera on the Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching.